What's something people don't know about mobile gaming? It just got a whole lot better with the Realme P3 Pro. The Realme P3 Pro is packed with features that will take your gaming to the next level. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. This powerhouse ensures smooth, lag-free performance no matter how intense the game gets. But that's not all. Realme's exclusive GT Boost technology pushes your device even further, optimizing performance for those critical moments in your game. And what about battery life? The Realme P3 Pro comes equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, giving you hours of uninterrupted gaming. Say goodbye to those mid-game battery warnings. Let's not forget the display, a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, every tap feels incredibly responsive, and the visuals? Absolutely breathtaking. For the photography enthusiasts, the P3 Pro doesn't disappoint. It features a 108MP triple camera setup, perfect for capturing those epic gaming moments or just snapping a quick selfie. And when it comes to price, Realme continues to deliver value. The P3 Pro offers top-tier features at a competitive price point, making it accessible to gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. So, is the Realme P3 Pro worth the hype? Absolutely. With its powerful performance, long-lasting battery, and stunning display, it's the ultimate choice for anyone serious about mobile gaming. Ready to upgrade your gaming phone? Check out the Realme P3 Pro today.